You should try these neat Kilonotes features. 1. Extract text tool. Take a screenshot of some words you want to extract. Put it in your notes. Use the lasso tool and select the words. Tap Extract Text and delete the screenshot. Now tap the text icon, then choose Paste. 2. Flashcard feature. Select important points and label it. Now let's check it out in the Cards menu. 3. Import fonts option. Just tap the T icon in the Fonts menu. Then choose the font in your files. Now you have new fonts. 4. Record audio feature. Tap the microphone icon, start recording, and keep the audio. You'll never miss any facts during class now. 5. Translate feature. Select, tap Translate, and see the magic. What's your fave new feature?